and Mandy. Friends, do you have such troubles? Sometimes when the product in your shoecase is changed, the color of the lines is not easy to be changed, right? Today I'm gonna show you our checklist. Let's see how easy is it to be used, and then see how easy is it to change the color temperature. Like this, we need the warm light, right? And now I'm gonna replace the product in the shoecase and see how easy is it to be used. This product needs white light. It's easy to be installed on the track. We can adjust it. See, we change the warm light to the white light. It's very convenient. So, if you have any interest, please feel free to contact us.